Hello friends, let's draw this cute bird together. Draw a half circle first. Draw a slight curved line here to draw a bird's face. From start point, draw a slight big curve. Like you letter to draw body. You need to match the other end. Let's draw eyes. You can draw oval shape for both eyes. Draw a beak. It's simple. Draw a curved triangle. Draw wings. Just follow me the way I am doing. Draw other side as well. Draw tail. It will start and end with the wing. It has few curved. Follow me here. Draw both legs. You can draw over body as shown. Since we drew over the body, we need to erase a few lines. Just mark it and erase. While you draw a cute bird. Now, it's time to color this cute bird. I am using yellow color. You can choose your own. Color it carefully and don't color eyes with yellow. You can color full body except eyes, beak and legs. Highlight outer body with black to give a real look. Let's color eye with black. Do the same for this eye as well. Color the beak and legs with orange. You can choose your own color. Congratulations! You draw and color a cute bird. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.